We have attended surveys, everyone, ng several voters education seminar ng COMELEC. Ang panawagan nila is everybody, ang gastos pa rin ng bawat kandidato, 10 pesos, voter per voter. Bakit hindi kayo naman nagpapa-amend ng election code? Kayo naman. Hindi, posible naman yung 10 pesos per head. Eh magpakain ka na nga, zesto lang yan at saka ano eh. Oh, zesto lang yata yun. So,
Skyflakes.
Yeah, Skyflakes. So the election code is not realistic anymore. So kailangan amendments doon. So this is a call out to Congress to amend the election code. Kasi hindi realistic. Tapos kailangan po itong mga radyo po, vloggers tayo, merong allocation na automatic sir, public broadcasting of parties platforms. So bakit hintayin natin ang US na party here, party there? Bakit election period pa natin tayo? Yung mga platforms din na narinig na, sir, because they are party for all time. NPC is a party, nationalista, at least the national, sir. Kasi iba yung local. So yung national parties, nationalista, yung mga Lakas NUCD, Partido Federal, dapat narinig na ngayon ano mga pinag-aano nila. Kasi they've registered ever since. They are registered political parties. So, yun ang sinabi ko dun sa open forum with COMELEC Chairman Garcia. Sabi ko, sir, ang tagal na namin hinihingi public broadcasting, dapat gastusin ninyo. Gastusan nyo lahat ng political parties na kapagsalita. Kasi 1 minute is 1 minute. Kawawa naman yung mga radyo din kasi you rely on financing of ads. The ads, tayo mga reporters, alam natin gaano kahirap yung per minute. So yun po yung mga isang election recommendations this election that may space talaga voters get. Kahapon President BBM called on all the mayors of Bangbarn, mga almost 100 mayors, Diamond Hotel. Hindi pinatelevise yun, Vice. Tapos yun sabi niya, tumulong kayo sa election. Dapat peaceful. Tulong kayo sa election. Dapat magbagulo or else nakatingin sa atin ng maraming tao sa barn. Dito na naman kami maging siege. Magsusurvivor na naman kami dito. Diyan sa Maria Elena na naman kami. Diyan sa shelter natin. So, mahirap diba, sir? Wala kayong na-refund, di ba, sa DSWD, sa gastos nyo. For all the 6 months of shelter, even 1 year. Walang na-refund ng Balui, wala kayong na-refund iligan sa paggamit ng renta ng inyong Maria Elena gym. Ito tatlo pa. Santa Maria, Santa Elena.
Tapos gumastos pa sa
tubig, medical, everything was Iligan City expenses. So nobody took charge of refunding me for Marawi siege expenses. Pero we had so much money for firearms. So kailangan po may refund. Yun sir ang aking inaano rin, re-remind sa national government. National Housing was the chairman.
Marami rin tumutulong maraming
donations. But that can help you, sir,
mga organizations
in future shelter sites. Kasi, are you ready for next? We never know it, the next. May nangyari naman, sir. Di ba, sir? Yung Marawi.
It was a lesson for us.
Yes, Marawi happened that nobody expected. So, kailangan yung shelters ready, sakaling mga air funds na malalaki, just for disaster to come. Di ba, sir? So, gastusin niya ng national because National Disaster Council is a national task. National department yung National Disaster Risk Council. So, inshallah, Sir Vice, katuwang mo ako dyan, kasangga niyo ako. So, is Samira running? Yan ay sana issue. October.
You have to.
I'm looking for the iglesias of Iligan. Please. Mga iglesia sa Iligan, ito nagpapaalam ako kay Vice. Do you think number 25 can rise to be 12? Depende na sa inyo, sir. Kung may Pia Cayetano sa kabila, ako ay ang Samira sa ibang parte. Kaming dalawa ang isang tumatakbong mga kababaihan, aside from Amy Marcos. Tatlo lang kami, out of 20. Sana po. Ako lang Tagailigan eh. After Kabili, sino?
Yun.
Makamay sa
Wala
Bilaan.
pang ano yung Kabili was the...
Depende po. Wala tayo sa service ngayon, pero dahil sa interviews nyo, malay nyo, marinig ulit tayo.
Okay.
Umakyat tayo sa Mindanao service. Wala pa daw tayo kasi sa service. Mahirap budgeted yun sa ballots. The evaluation forms ng mga nagpapasurvey. May budget din yun, sir. Vice.
Sandali lang, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Sige, ma'am.
VP Sara, Sister Samira here, taga-Iligan, Balui. Yung dugo mo sa Balui, Lanao del Norte. Alam kong nasaktan ka rin sa pangyayari, unit team. Ako po ay nag-resign din. Pero, di ba, nagtampo ka sa akin noon kasi I resigned from your father, President Duterte, noong time ng martial law. Pero I know VP Sara, being a woman in a cabinet, and in this political napakainit, China, US, we have to take sides ba, China or US tayo, tapos unit team, kailangan pa rin preserve. Then I know what happened in Davao City. Yung mga policemen ninyo, inalis. So I understand, Ma'am Sara, where you're coming from. Maging matatag po tayo, Ma'am VP Sara, kasi education was your turf. You were doing the work of educating the children. So ma'am, hindi ka naman umalis sa VP. Please keep on being the VP. Kasi kailangan balanse, ma'am, babae lalaki, di ba ma'am? So ito ang Mindanao namin sa kabinete. Please don't leave the cabinet, ma'am. Unit team should continue, sana po. Just for that, kami mga taga Malalayo, kami taga Iligan, Marawi, we hope, we look up to you, ma'am, na ikaw magdala ng boses namin, ma'am. So, nandito ako, ma'am, as your kasangga, although hindi ako makadeclare ng party loyalty to you kasi I'm with the Action Party under Isko Moreno, pero kami po ay mga young leaders na who are working on development work. So under Raul Roco kami yung party namin, marami din advocacies tayo po. So Ma'am VP, good luck sa inyo.